Hi guys, welcome back to Cheesy Moments. Sorry I didn't post in a while. My friend's not been here to film me, so that's why. So let's get into the video. So as the fidget first, we're going to be showing you every single one of my fidgets. I keep mine in this advent calendar for wine. My granddad doesn't have any wine in it. Don't worry, we'll be okay. So let's get started with the first drawer. I'm going to do this colour, and my friend's going to do that colour. Are you ready? Okay, then let's get started then. So, first drawer.
So first we've got this rainbow tie-dye butterfly mini poppet. Oh, I was dropping the camera at the start as well. And then we've got a tie-dye fidget spinner poppet. It's quite good. Not that good at spinning these, but then this, what is this? Pea pod,
I think.
I don't know.
Two.
I don't know what this is. It's like a pea in a pod but with four. I don't know. And I think it's glow in the dark. Wait,
It's a glow in the dark mini poppet.
yeah, it's a glow in the dark mini poppet. Then we've got this one. This is also glow in the dark because I've got the same one. And then we've got, I know you might have seen this in the other video, but the gummy bear dimple. I'm trying to make you see the face. Can you see that? It's a little gummy bear face. Hold it a bit further back so you can see. We've got a red rubber.
Just a cut, we had to do something.
Yeah. And we've got this red rubber simple dimple. It's quite good, if you could hear that. And then we've got a square mini poppet.
Also, you might have not seen most of these in the last video because we actually didn't include them because it would be even longer. It's half an hour, so we don't want it to be any even longer, so that's why we didn't include them.
Right, so that is the first drawer finished. I'll just put them all back.
So my drawer, I'm going to hit drawer number 2. So this drawer has all my Orbeez stress balls in it. I have 4. So we have this rainbow one. And then we have this purple one. We have this black, white and clear one. And they're very foggy because they're not that new. We have this red one. And that's that drawer finished.
Right, so is it mine?
Yes.
Right, so number 3. Number 3's got more snake fidgets. Wait, where's the other prop tube? Sorry, 1 second. Sorry about that, we were looking for another fidget because it was behind the box. So, this is like snake fidgets, like I said. Have I said that? Yeah.
Yeah. Well, not
so
like actual snake fidgets, but like...
We mean like snake type fidgets. For some reason, these are both mini pop tubes, but like...
There are many. I don't have any jumbo or regular size.
We don't know why, but this one's longer than that one.
No, then that one's mini and that one's regular sized.
No, this isn't regular sized. I think this might be micro. No, micro pop tubes are tiny.
I don't know. We don't
know. I think they might both be mini, but like there might be a smaller mini because micro are like that size.
Exactly.
It looks a bit bigger, but they're both good.
Yeah, I'm gonna do one of those because
they're very loud.
I take quite a long time to like.
They both to sound the same. Trust me, because I just tried them before the video. Put them back in. We'll leave them out. Then we've got this white, like clear, dark blue and light blue tangle. Really good. I like it. I was actually with her when she got this one.
She got one too.
We've got this wacky trick.
Look at that. Hold on.
Sorry, there was just somebody at the door.
That's that one finished.
Right.
This drawer, there's quite a few things in this drawer. So first we have a pea popper. That's quite hard to get out, but pea popper. We have how many golden acupressure rings? I have 4 golden acupressure rings. This one I've had for a while. I've actually had all of them for a while. But like this one's broke, so yeah.
That's why it looks like that.
2 silver acupressure rings. And then I have, let me just take them all out. I have 3 green spike balls, 2 blue spike balls, and then 2 yellow ones. That's also that drawer finished. Oh wait, this is your drawer.
I know,
That was drawer number 3. Sorry guys, that was the wrong drawer.
that means I'll do number.
I'm doing number 8. Just do
But
that
you
one.
don't know.
Just do that one again.
No, do it. It's fine.
You get to do that.
No, that's fine. No, I'll just do the same colours. It's good that you got to do that one because I'm doing 4 puppets. You're doing 3 puppets. Right.
Cool.
So anyway,
Never mind.
there's puppets on the top. He's shown
4.
3 androids.
So we have 1 galaxy infinity cube, another one with triangles on it, and then like this tie-dye one. This one's much more stiff than all the other ones. And then
Because you just got it.
no, had it for a while.
Yeah. What I mean is like it's the newest one. She's not just got it.
No, I've had them all for a while. I've had them all for a while. We just didn't include it because we didn't have enough time to include all the fidgets. So I have this dinosaur mochi, called Bob, fish mochi, frog
It's a
one,
pufferfish one.
and then another dinosaur. Oh wait, I forgot to show you this one. This one's one of my favourites. It's a chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny.
And then I have
challenge.
this fidget spinner.
We could do the chubby bunny challenge, but I don't like marshmallows, so we can't.
Exactly.
Don't think I'm a weirdo because I don't like marshmallows. I mean, I'm just a fussy eater. Anyway, number 5. Number 5's quite boring things. Like
Don't mind, we've already done number 7, but
these are the ones that aren't really classified as a fidget. Right, but she made this one at her grand's house. It's very nice. Like, it's actually really fun to play with, if you did not know. And that's coming from me. This slinky looks like it's handled, but it's really just got one that's bent. I said tangled. It's just a normal magenta or pink one or purple, whichever colour you want.
this is my room, so
Yeah.
it's kind of messy, but
It's fine. These 3 bouncy balls. Wait, put this one back up. 3 bouncy balls.
I don't really know if bouncy balls are a fidget, but they're just in there.
They're not.
They're just in there.
So first we've got this
Hold on, I'm just gonna
clear one.
Okay.
It
I
kind of
know
looks
which
yellow
one
on
it is.
camera, but it's actually clear. That's yellow one. It actually is yellow. Wait, I'll get a better lighting. There you go. That's a bit better. I don't know why I'm still putting my hand here.
Don't ask. We've already done drawer number
Pink
7,
one.
but that
So.
doesn't that just
It's because she
matter.
accidentally picked that one up. And then we've got this fart putty.
They're all dried up.
Look at it. Like, I'll take it out. Look at that. It's all dried up. So, it doesn't work.
So I'll
Just a
get
toilet.
this
No.
one out. There's one more thing in it.
Which is this smiley face, like, it's cut, like, really cool slinky. I really like it.
So next, on the next drawer, drawer number 6, we have this wacky track thing where like it spins too. So
Do you not really know what it is?
no, not really. And then we have
I don't think anybody knows what that's called.
a wacky spinner.
It actually goes.
No, I don't know what it's called.
Wacky track spinner, maybe.
2 snakes. These are like the actual snake fidgets. Green one and then a red one. And then drawer number, we'll just skip to drawer number 8.
8.
Which is one of my favourite
So you're doing
drawers. Sorry, I'm just doing twice in a row because we accidentally done number 7. We have 3 unicorn noodles. And you have unicorns. Hold on, this one's upside. Look, unicorns. We have these things.
Like, I think you're meant to take them apart and then you're meant to try and figure out what pieces go where.
We have one regular sized monkey noodle.
A neon green.
We have 6 skinny noodles. Look.
Look, that compared to that, look, like these. That one's tiny, but like other ones.
I prefer the tiny ones.
So that.
Well, actually, the unicorn ones are my favorite, but like for actual monkey noodles,
Yeah, like
I
these
prefer
ones
the
are my
tiny
favourite.
ones.
Right, so put them back in there. And then
9.
number 9. Oh, number 9 is like one of my favourites. So first, we've got this pink needle. You've seen this in the last video. It does say needle, so it is real. But
It is
like,
a real needle.
you can't see it. There's no mochi in this. There was a mochi, which
It
I
was
showed
Bob's
you already.
capsule.
It was a capsule. Then we've got this DNA ball. It's hardly got any DNA in it, but it's really still fun. And then
A pink mesh ball.
yeah, she's had this for quite a while. Pink mesh ball, and also like that.
Yeah, it's very, very bright because
On camera.
it's the middle of it's nearly June.
It's the middle of the day.
It's the middle of the day. It's nearly June. It's actually
really bright.
17 minutes past 6. So technically, it's more
18
night.
past.
Well, now 18. It was 17.
I
And
don't like
this
saying
drawer
that
only
thing, so
has
that's why I'm
one.
not using it.
This drawer only has one fidget in it.
Yeah, that one's
It's-
actually my favourite.
A kind of deflated pop-it bomb. It's good that it has all. It's kind of deflated because you can pop all of them down, but like for other ones you can't. Hold on, I'm just gonna do. I got most of them. Some of them popped down. Ready? Just be quiet. So satisfying.
Right now we're going to show you the puppets, so I'll go first. Which
No,
puppets
we still have one more drawer.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, so we've got one more drawer. We're both going to
Right, you do yours first.
share this drawer. So I'm doing yours first. Right, so I'll do mine first. So basically, first we've got this fidget pad. So basically, 2 click. So the blue and the white click really nicely.
That's
And then-
yellow.
Yeah, it's a yellow. It kind of looks white though. And then the red and the green don't. And then we've got this, like, I don't know what to call it, joystick. We've got this spinner. Thing that's really satisfying. A thing that you pull down. Watch. And it shoots back up. Like a flicker switch. And just a thing that you can spin around. And then we've also got this. It's quite boring, but it's a magenta-ish purpley.
It's not as fun looking as the
Colour.
other one.
And then it's got. Right.
And then I have this triple dimple that's very nice on one side. Listen. And then we have this rainbow snapper. Sometimes it gets stuck.
Right now, will I start with these or will you?
You start with it.
Right, so which ones am I doing?
Hold on, we'll just.
Why did I get all the boring ones?
Do them.
Right, she's forcing me to do the boring ones. The unicorn one.
Also,
Rainbow one.
I have had all these
Very
fidgets for
boring.
a long time. But yeah, I just couldn't
Part one,
record
very
them in that
boring.
video.
Tie-dye pink and dark blue one. Very boring.
It's not that boring.
It is that boring. I'm very sad because you made me do these ones and then this normal circle rainbow one. I don't really like them, so that's
Put
why I'm
them
doing
back on top.
Put them back on top.
We also have 2 more fidgets after this. Oh,
Yes. After. Sorry, that was my stressful. I've got the same as her.
yeah. So
This
first we
one's
have
very stiff.
this pineapple
Shelled poppet.
heart shell poppet. It's very nice. Hold on, I'm just gonna get it on the other side.
I'm sitting on this big rainbow bouncy ball.
It's not.
It's not a bouncy ball. It's like a
Look,
ball.
listen.
Sorry, my knees are in the way. Right, can I have my spinner that I'm using next? Sorry, I might be standing on the way. I'm probably not, but I'm getting.
R.
Oh, sorry. Right, should I show them this now?
No, I'm not even finished yet.
Like, by the way, this has letters on it too.
So
But they're very faint.
I have this classic one. It's not as classic as the yellow circle, but it's got all the letters and
It looks like one
numbers on it. Can you see them?
It's really stiff to put down. Oh god, you can see it. Right, can I start now?
No. I have this poppet. It's a drink. I'm not actually drinking it.
That was very weird. Show it.
And then
I'm not showing my
we
face.
have this.
Squishy. Squishy. I don't really like squishies.
Neither do I, to be honest.
Right, can I show them this
Yes.
spinner now? Right, so this is probably my favourite one.
Is it actually?
Probably my favourite one of like the spinners. So first we've got on one side it's like a coralish pinkish colour, and then it's got blue, purple. Well, just hold it down to there. It doesn't look like it. It just looks like most of them are white, but it actually is blue, purple, pink, yellow, purple, and pink again. And then it's basically a spinner. On the other side it's got like white on it. So there you go. You can see the colour a bit better on this side. Right, so it's a spinner. Very fun. And I'll show you it popping. This side very stiff. And then it's not loud at all. And then this side's quite good. If you heard popping in the background from the last time when Alexa was doing it, that was because I was popping that. And then it sounds quite good. Hold up to the camera so that you can hear it a bit better.
So then I have this tiny planet dimple. It's absolutely tiny.
It's not actually the big average one.
It's not the big average one. You can see the sun's here, not in the middle. But we have all these. It's really good.
Sorry
on
if
this
you hear
one.
rattling. I'm looking at this.
My friend says this has letters on it, but it doesn't.
It does. Can I show you? Wait, pause the video.
No, it does. I can see them.
Don't chuck that at them.
I never. And then we have these broken dimples.
I'm putting my glasses on so that I can do the outro with you. Sorry, if you don't remember, in the last video I put these on.
Really? Oh yeah, that was like the party when we were on it. Or something like that's what I went like.
It's like a very short
So
video.
time to film the outro.
Thank you for watching our video. We'll see you next time on Cheesy Moments. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye!